Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make really fast PayPal money using 3 websites, and they pay out very, very fast as soon as 24 hours, guys, okay? So you're going to be getting paid to do very, very simple tasks online. So let's get started right now. Here I am. The first site is called SuperPayEm II. So you just go to SuperPay.me and you'll get to this site. And what they are is a GetPaidTo site. So what you will be earning is you're going to be earning basically based on the tasks that you do on the site. Okay. So you're going to be making money online with free paid surveys and more today. So you're going to have fast payments. You pay within 24 hours. And then they're going to have really low cash payout thresholds. You can work from home. You can get promo codes and cash contests. You get free paid surveys and offers. You get a 20-cent join bonus. And they have a generous referral program. And to join is very easy. You just fill out the form here, and then you will have these payment option, guys. So one of them, of course, is PayPal. But if you don't have access to PayPal, you have Payza, Skrill, Bitcoin, or Coinbase account. So there's several ways for you to get paid from the site, and so it should be pretty much open to anybody around the world, guys. Okay. So this is a really good site for everybody. You join for free. So what you're going to do is join for free today. You're going to have an easy registration. You complete your registration in 2 minutes basically, and then you get 20 cents really fast. Take part in surveys and offers. Make money by taking part in paid surveys with hundreds of new surveys available every day. So this is not a site that you're going to run out of surveys all the time. You can also earn by watching videos and completing offers and trials. So you're going to get paid. Over 90% of payments are paid within 8 hours of PayPal, guys. 8 hours! Bitcoin or Skrill, or exchange your points for Tango gift cards, which can be used for popular retailers such as Amazon, Starbucks, Nike, Macy's, and more. Yeah, so you could do surveys. You can do paid trials and offers. What these are sign up for some kind of offer, like a trial of some product, or a trial of some subscription, or a trial of some kind of membership site. But you just gotta be careful about these offers, because sometimes if it's a paid offer, like let's say you gotta pay shipping or something like that for a trial product, they may charge you after that. So you may need to cancel before the trial period is over so you don't get charged. So just be careful of offer walls. And then you can watch videos to make money, which is going to be a very easy, effortless, and quick way to earn money just by watching videos. And they have a referral program where you can definitely get more people and earn passively, because you're going to earn 25% of your referrals earnings, guys. Okay, so this is going to be a lot of money that you don't have to do anything and earn yourself. So on the right, you can see that there are people earning throughout today that I'm recording this on. So there's tons of people on here making money, and I'm here on the payment page here. They said they've been paying almost $2.5 million. And here are some of the PayPal screenshots down here. And this site is highly, highly trusted, which that's the first thing I was going to check for sites like this, because sites like this can be really, really bad. And I've seen many really bad ones, okay? And I never recommend those. You will not see any sites in my videos that are not good, or that they are not legitimate. So you will not see that on here. So this is why I want to show you on reviews.io. This is super.me reviews, and it's rated at 4.8, guys, okay? and you got 691 reviews already for here. And a Trustpilot, this is another site for reviews, and it's a 4-star, so that is very good. Just 74% is excellent. Okay, guys, so this is a really good website. And so why I want to show you this one is that you actually get 2 more sites to do stuff like this, so you could earn triple the amount, because then now you have 3 sites to do the same stuff on. Okay, so actually on this homepage, forgot to mention that they have a little video for you to check out to see how they work, but it's not that hard. So you're basically doing the little tasks that I showed you already, and you just make money. And these guys have been around since 2012, so these guys are legitimate and have been around. They're not just fly by night, so it's really good to see. So the other 2 sites I was going to show you is actually on the bottom of this page. You see on the very bottom here, it says our other get paid to websites, rewardingways.com and OfferNation.com. So I've opened those 2. So this is OfferNation.com. Make money online free. Make money online is easy with OfferNation. So this is going to be doing the same kind of thing with like SuperPay. It's just that these sites are not connected, so you gotta make sure you sign up for this one as well and do the same stuff, like same activities, like doing the surveys, watching videos and whatnot on this site. This will be the same thing. They have payment proof as well. This site is younger, I guess, and it's only paid out 500 something thousand. Yeah, I can't tell how new this one is for now, but this is very similar to the other one. See, it doesn't matter how much you earn. It looks like the lowest is $1 payout. The other site is rewardingways.com. Get paid to work online. It's going to be about the same thing. Access paid surveys, 20 cents to join. Referral program, earning 25% of your referrals earnings. This one has been paid over $1 million. So this one's probably a little bit older than the OfferNation. And this one here has a review of about 4.8 as well. So it's about the same as SuperPay.me. So this is a great way for you guys to make some money online, and hopefully once you guys make that money, I want you guys to save that money. Okay, save it, use all 3 sites to make money so you can have some, save it, because there's gonna be more ways for you guys to actually learn much better online skills, guys. You guys gotta learn better online skills to make the big bucks. Okay, if you want to make the big bucks online, you guys gotta learn some online skills, and the program in the first link in my video description is going to teach you how to do this. Okay, they're going to teach you a business model that I've been using since 2016, and which allows me to earn money passively in my sleep, and I could work whenever I want. So if you want something like this, and I make a full-time income using this business model, so it's not just a little bit of money here and there like these 3 sites. It's going to be a real online money that you can depend on, and maybe even quit your job. Okay, that's the potential of an online business, guys. Okay, so check out that first link in the video description. I'll give you more information about that program. It's a great program because they literally take you by the hand as a beginner, so you just got to go through the program so you get step-by-step instructions on what to do, and I hope I can see you on the inside. Okay, guys, so I hope this video was valuable for you to watch, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video and like this video. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. Okay, and hit that notification bell so I can send you a note when I have my next new video come out. Okay, guys, all right, I hope you guys make money online soon, guys, and I hope I see you on the next video. Okay, bye.